Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HMD Skyline, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Now let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Then tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact you'd like to customize. So let's tap on add picture, and here we've got three different options from which we can choose. So device photos, the gallery with your own photos, the camera, you can tap on it and your device will open the camera app immediately. Here we've got Google Photos, so those which are backed up, and illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize, you can choose something from those options. So simply find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it, and here in this step you can change the position of the photo, you can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, and here we've got our contact with the photo assigned. Of course you will be able to see it on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.